Here's a teaser from the Newcastle Mass Stealth Camp.
So you're going to see this where everyone's stealth camping in the same spot with all these signs say not to stealth camp, not to camp, no camping, fines, you name it. And on the signs they put go away, that's being polite. They're saying no camper van.
So we travel from Brisbane down to Newcastle. Yeah, that's over 1,000 kilometres, I know, to do a mass stealth camp because we've heard about this place. Look at it. There's camper vans everywhere. Everyone's stealth camping at the one time with all the signs around saying not to. You're going to enjoy this. Newcastle is an awesome town and you're going to find out more about it because Stay Awesome Vanlife's taking you down there, going to show you what happens in Newcastle Harbour after dark when all the van lifers congregate and decide to stealth camp, ignore the signs, have a good night's sleep, hopefully. You'll have to watch the episode when it comes out soon. Stay awesome.